My experience with Product Link is it's saved me money, it's saved me time, it's brought me my life back.
It allows him to remotely monitor machines working in different areas of the country.
You can optimise the financials you've got and place in that asset. You can maximise return on the investment.
I think that gives us an edge over anyone else who's not using the system.
But the more knowledge that these people can have at their fingertips, the better able they will be to manage their equipment and deliver better results for their businesses.
The company started off as a plant hire and groundworks, and then we moved on to earthworks, civil engineering, drainage and laying tarmac and concrete.
JK Ashbrook will have a wide range of equipment working in the Midlands and northwest of England, across in towards the Welsh borders, so it's probably anywhere up to a 60 or 80 mile radius from their head office where equipment's working on different sites.
Idle time isn't work time, and the less idle time that machine has, the more efficient it's going to be and the more profit Ashbrooks will make.
When you're using 200-300 litres a day every day, you need to know if it's using 200 or 300, it makes a massive impact on your price.
JK Ashbrook are a very big user of Caterpillar equipment now. One of the prime reasons behind that is the fact that they can get Product Link onto their equipment.
We're actually going to retrofit 10 older machines with Product Link, so as we can track those as well.
So it's effectively lowering his own operating cost. So protecting his bottom line, he's making profit because he's seeing the machine work, he's not having the breakdowns.
When I've looked into the Product Link data, the real big surprise has been the amount of idle time that some machines have been suffering from.
We're using Product Link to track the work time versus idle time. We can then see if we've got idle drivers, or sometimes if we're on hourly rate, we can see that the machines are working too hard and we could do with a bit more idle time, which is always nice.
We were always trying to estimate fuel burn on machines working hard, and the real time effect of the fuel consumption is a lot less than what we anticipated.
Especially with the fuel price going up like it is now, we're looking at how many litres an hour we're using on different activities. We can then price the jobs absolutely bang on. There's no guesswork involved anymore. It makes it very accurate for us. We do have a lot of problems with machine theft, yeah, it's a bad problem around here at the moment. If we've got a machine out on hire to a customer, we'll geofence it, so we'll know when it's out on hire to the customer if it is actually staying in that area. We've managed to get the machines back straight away rather than the lads turning up the next morning. No machines, no work goes on, we're into massive penalties off the main contractors. Finnings are monitoring the data along with us. They're very good at ringing us up and saying, look, I've just had an alert on your dozer, it's using water, it's short of water, I've got someone in the area, I'll just send them round to check it. That's fantastic for us.
Okay, Finning's been using Product Link for a couple of years now as part of our condition monitoring program. So we take feeds direct from Product Link into a dashboard that our condition monitoring advisors are looking at in conjunction with some other information. They're using the information to make proactive judgments about customers' equipment.
Condition monitoring is key to us making that transition from where we are today, reactive, to moving more to be proactive. So that could impact everything from how we order our parts, how we dispatch our engineers, how our workshop bays are utilised, utilisation for engineers, and ultimately reducing the cost of operation for our customer.
Finnings now do all our maintenance on contract, so therefore we're not having to tell them what hours are on it, they're telling us what hours are on it. This machine needs a service, can we go to it on Saturday? Because I can see on the screen that you're not working Saturdays. That's fantastic, saves a lot of downtime, saves a lot of conversations and phone calls back in too.
We use it for trending, and we look for the trends to see whether the specific machine has got a specific alert, say, and now that trend's increasing. So then that's when we react.
And we can make recommendations to the customer, either change the way they're operating the machine or to get a repair done before it actually fails.
We haven't got breakdowns. We're not struggling with things that are breaking on site or downtime because we are on top of it. We can see the alerts, whereas before a problem might take 2-3 weeks to progress from a small knocking noise up to when the machine actually breaks down.
The benefits of product link to the customer would be he knows where the machine is, he knows where it's operating, and he knows how it's operating.
Might have machines out on hire that are there for a 5-day week, and obviously the customer's been a little bit cheeky and using it on a Saturday and a Sunday. You can see that, you can go on Product Link, you can log in, you can invite the customer into your offices and you can say, look, there's the proof, you used it 7 days, there's your bill, thanks very much.
We were always trying to estimate fuel burn on machines working hard, and the real time effect of the fuel consumption is a lot less than what we anticipated. Even when the machines are working hard.
We use it a lot as well for monitoring fuel usage. When we're pricing works, especially with the fuel price going up like it is now, we're looking at how many litres an hour we're using on different activities. We can then price the jobs absolutely bang on. There's no guesswork involved anymore. It makes it very accurate for us.
They can monitor what each operator is doing on each machine at any given time. So I think it's a valuable thing for a customer to have.
When we're digging for cables or underground services and we've had a cable strike and the main contractor will come on and say, I know your digger went through that cable on that day, we can honestly go back to them and say, look, our machine was not in that area on that day or at that time. Here's the proof on screen, we haven't done it. Thousands of pounds saved in insurance claims. Everybody is of the opinion that it's a fantastic system. It is the future, it is the way ahead for all of us, and any machine that anybody's buying now, you should really be buying with Product Link or not.
I think it's something that will be bigger in the future. I think the more that people can see how much we can save.
We're living in an increasing technological age, and the availability of better technology on equipment will allow customers to monitor and manage their equipment in ways that they've never considered beforehand.
The new Vision Link is 10 times better with much more usability. It's got that very much user-friendly feel to it that you expect off a modern website.
It's easy to understand, it's easy to log into, it's fast, it's quick, there's no downtime on the computer even with a slow internet. It's a fantastic system.
They should be looking to work more closely with us, with Product Link, so they can better understand the information being provided, which will make a definite improvement to their bottom line.
With Product Link, the more you use it, the more you want to use it.
We're finding that Product Link's a good efficiency driver to allow people to manage their fleets better.
It makes us more competitive and it makes us more professional, makes us more profitable, and that's what it's all about.